KTM has introduced the 2026 iteration of its KTM 1390 Super Duke RR, which they dubbed it Naked Fury Defined. It sheds 11 kilograms of its previous iteration, which transforms overall dynamics both on the road and on the track. Extensive carbon fiber components contribute to the dramatic weight savings. And how it performs, it's powered by a 1340cc LC8 V twin turbo, delivering 193 PS and 145 nanometers of torque, with a new camshaft, improved fuel combustion, and with a titanium exhaust providing the necessary bark to this beast bike. Debuted is an 8.8 touchscreen TFT dashboard with new lap timer and telemetry stats with track mode,